have this box, and I don't know where it comes from. Let's see what's inside. Legendary Zulu! Can I open it?
Yeah. Good.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I need that. Got it. Now I need the stuff. Here it is. Ah, now how are we gonna get the card out? Oh, this is that. Whoa, he is very slow. Look how slow he is. He's very slow. Here's the card. Here's the piece. Sure, this phone. That's this flea here. And the weight is 200. So that's all the stuff, and I have to go put these in the garbage, but I'll show you some of the things that I got from my party.
Rory, go get the Star Wars stuff. Okay, so Rory's going to get his Star Wars stuff. I'm laying down on the couch, but he's gonna go get his cool Star Wars toys. Okay? What?
We should have won that.
What?
We should have won
What?
that to open.
Yes, you should open all of them.
Let's do this. And we're gonna open it. And there's a C-3PO leg in it. Let's open it. Ah, how hard it is. I opened one before. Maybe these are unstable at no will. Maybe these will not even anywhere. It's not anywhere in the stores. Ah, okay. Yay. That is Rory. Get out. Ah, okay. Get out of there. This puppy loud. Ah! 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 Yes. Ah, okay. Think him off. So we can still put it back on. Yeah, this is what he has. And a weasel. Alright. I need to put it backwards. Oh man, can't put it. Okay. Battle droid, not for duty. Or you can put it like this. I'm gonna put it different.